Hello, my name is the Old Mechanic, and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your chain of a TRIUMPH Tiger XRx 800. And that's very easy. What do we need? Yeah, a ruler and of course the official TRIUMPH service manual for this TRIUMPH. I got it already on my tablet, and now let's see. Drive chain adjustment. Well, over here you can read what TRIUMPH advises to check your chain. The bike needs to be on the rear wheel, not on a center stand. Following the lubrication, place the motorcycle on a level surface and hold it in an upright position with no weight on it. For me that's easy. I have a winch, so I get the bike straight up and not upwards, but I get the bike straight up. That's easy. In between the sprockets it should be 20 to 30 millimeters. So let's see. I put a strap on the center stand because it was in the way for the video. So, but it's not, see, it's not on the ground. So, and now we're gonna measure the chain somewhere in the middle, there to there. So I think this is a good place. Now it is between 6.5 and 2.5, 6.5, 2.5. So it needs to be a bit tighter. Let's do that. Easy. We're going to loosen the axle. The axle is tight with a socket of 27 mil. So we're going to loosen it. Here. Up. So you Bart. See if the other side. No, can't. So first we're gonna loosen the axle some more. Okay, yep. Then we're gonna loosen the locking nut. It's a wrench of 13 up and on the other side too. It's actually very easy. Up. Then over here are dents too, and it's now almost on the third dent, going to that position. So we take wrench 12 and slowly give it one and a bit, and on the other side too. So up. Over here it's now between 3 and 6. It's 30. So it's, I measure it on the lower side, this side of the chain. Oh, oops. And that goes when I push it down. So somewhere here, not too hard. It's about 6 to 3. So it's on the upper side of the spec. So we're gonna give it a little bit more. Range 12. Just a bit more. Watch that. See? Just a bit more on this side too. Okay. Then we give it another measurement. Let's see where it's now. It's now 3.5 and 6. So that's 1, 2, 2.5. It's in the mid of the spec now. So this is good. Now we're gonna block it. We're holding this one in place. The locking nut. Then up. Okay. Yep. Then other side too. The rear axle needs to be torqued with 110 Newton meters. I got my digital torque wrench. Why? Just for fun. And I'm going to set it to 110 Newton meters. Let's have a look. Come. Hop. This is 110 Newton meters. Perhaps you can see it. I think 110. Then we got socket 27. Ow, 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 I was in between. There he goes already. Now, there he goes. Oh, I'm tilting the bike. Yep, there it is. 110. Yep.